Hi everyone, it's Christina. I do have an exciting video for you today. Today's video is going to be a apartment tour, and I'm really excited to show you guys what my apartment looks like. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so this is my front door. This wreath I actually got from Z Gallery. I love this wreath. I actually keep it out year round. I just feel like it goes with my decor, and it's not too Christmassy, which is why I feel like I can just keep it out year round. It's just a nice little decoration. And then to my right, I have a mirror. Hi. This is from IKEA. You're gonna notice that I have a lot of IKEA stuff in my apartment. Life hack, if you guys have a small space and you want to make it feel bigger and more open, just put mirrors everywhere. It's a dream. And then if you go to the left of my door, this is where my closet is, so I'll just open it up. So on the left hand side here, I have my laundry. Here you can see I have a snowboard. I just got this like a few months ago, and I need to get some new bindings and boots, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then to the right here, I just have some storage. So up here I have my cleaning supplies. And then in these boxes here, they're just like a bunch of different stuff. So there's 4 boxes. The top box here is basically my activity box. In the second box, I have my winter stuff. I try to have a spring, summer, fall, winter capsule wardrobe. So I would just switch every 6 months from my fall winter wardrobe to my spring summer wardrobe. In the bottom 2 boxes here, I have my decor for holidays. So the third box, the ones you see that the white pumpkins are in, that's for everything other than Christmas, because I have mostly Christmas stuff, and that's what's in this bottom box here. So to the right here, more cleaning supplies. I have a mop, and I have a broom, and then I have like a little squeegee thing, I don't know what it is, and then I have a dustpan right there. And then down here, again, not as organized as I want to be, but this is like my electronics. So I have my Thunderbolt monitor there in case I want 2 screens. Honestly, I don't use it that much, so I'm probably gonna sell it. And then I have my tripod there, my ring light there, and then I have my monitor there in case I want a bigger screen when I'm taking photos or videos. And then over here, this is my steamer. Facing away from the front door, this is what you see. So basically to the right, this is my kitchen area. Again, not a very huge space, but it's very functional. And to the left is the living room. We'll start with the kitchen. So this cabinet right next to the fridge I use as my pantry. You can see here I have love for mason jars. So on this top shelf here, I have my larger dried good items. Just underneath, I have my nuts and seeds and dried fruit. And then this is more of my condiments, such as salt and pepper, my salt and pepper, vinegar, oil, tea, peanut butter, things like that. That's everything that is in this cupboard. And then just below that, I have my cookbooks, and then I have these drawers here. So when you open this up, I have my cutlery, my big forks, knives, big spoons, small forks, and small spoons there. These are all glass straws that I use. And then I got these chopsticks from Ming Wo, which is a cookware store in Vancouver. Here I have some napkins. reusable napkins that I like to bring out when I have guests. And then I just have some more cooking utensils. And then in here, yeah, it's a little bit messy, but again, I'm just still organizing. So these are knives that I got from Williams-Sonoma. I got 2 sets of 6, so I got 12. And then I just have a bunch of larger utensils for cooking. Just all the essentials, basically. Put these back. This is my stove and oven. So I actually went on a Le Creuset binge. Basically, I bought a whole bunch of Le Creuset. It's just a brand of cast iron products, basically, for cooking. These essentially should last you a lifetime if you take care of them really well. So that's that. And then this is my stove. This hand towel I got from Anthropology. It says avocado toast. I thought it was really cute. And then at the bottom here I keep my stuff for my oven. So I have like my oven mitt, my pizza pan, some other like baking pans, muffin pans, and things like that. And I thought this was really cute. It's very like science-y, but it holds your spices in there. And then in this cupboard here, I have a bunch of stuff. Salad bowl and tongs in there. My mortar and pestle is up there. And then I have my colander. More mason jars. I use these mason jars for glasses. And then on the left hand side here I have my mugs. And I mean, I could easily develop a really big obsession with mugs, but I try to keep it minimal. And then here I have my Glenna plates, and these I got from Anthropology and I just love them. They're made in Italy and they're really durable, and I just love the way they look. So I got a large plate, the small plate, and the bowls, the soup bowls. So that's everything in this cupboard. And then in here I have my Smeg products. This isn't all of my Smeg products. I actually just ordered a few more things. So up here I have my kettle. This is my blender, my toaster. This area is gonna be like my coffee stuff. So I've ordered an espresso maker from Smeg, and I'm also gonna get a coffee maker from Smeg. And then this is my meal prep area as well. So like my water bottle is there, my lunch bag is there, some mason jars to go are there, and then my Tupperware containers are there as well. This is something I got from Anthropology as well. This is like a citrus juicer. These were a recent purchase as well. This is from Shun, I believe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is their, I believe, their premier collection. So these 3 knives on the end here I got as a starter set. And then I also got the bread knife and the sharpener as well. So I feel like that just completes the set, and I really like how this looks. It's very clean and simple and easy to access. And then down here I have some more goodies. So this huge Le Creuset crock pot for larger, you know, soups and things like that. This thing right here I actually like to make bread in, and then I just have some measuring things back there as well. And then back there, if you can see it, that's my KitchenAid mixer. I got that from my Nona. In here I have some more Le Creuset stoneware. So this is more for like baking stuff. My sink, obviously, nothing special here. And then underneath my sink I have some extra mason jars, and down there I have my baking goods, like my cookie cutters and edible decorating stuff for when I decide to bake. This is an awesome cutting board that my boyfriend got me, and then this is just stuff for cleaning you know, for like dishes and stuff. And then there's just some extra plastic bags over there as well. Moving on, I'm actually just gonna show you guys this little corner here. Here I have just like some dog toys and dog treats and things like that. And then this is my bar cart. So at the top here I have my spirits. I have like my bourbon, my gin, vodka, tequila, rum, everything you need. And then I have like my muddler, my shaker, my everything, my coasters, just wine bottle opener, everything that you basically need to entertain guests. Down here I have my glasses, and I got all of these at Crate and Barrel except for the ones on the right here. I think I got these from Z Gallery, but I'll have to double check. If you guys like anything that you see here, I will link everything in the description box below. So like I have my red wine glasses, my white wine glasses, these are martini glasses, and then these are the flutes. And I just love how square everything is. It definitely suits my style, and I'm so glad that I got these. I actually want to get sets of 12 instead of sets of 6. So that's my bar cart. Oh, and then this over here, I'm pretty sure I've shown this to you in another video, but this is my Call Me Old Fashioned little piece of artwork, and I love this thing. I'll always have this. Over here, this is my couch that I got from IKEA. There's a whole bunch of dog hair on it because the dogs have been on it and I haven't had time to wash it. But yeah, so this is my couch, and I basically watched the Mindy Project or like a bunch of kid shows. This is a little electric fireplace I got just to make the place look a little bit more homey. And then this is my coffee table. The coffee table itself I got at this place called Structube, which is quite similar to an IKEA. I don't know if it's in anywhere else other than Vancouver, but it is a really cute store. And then my coffee books, I have my Tom Ford coffee table book and my Audrey Hepburn coffee table book, and then I have my aloe vera plant on top. This is my vanity. This side of the table I have my hair and makeup stuff in. This side of the table I have things like my stationery things, and this is like my electronics and things like that. Just like things that I need to keep in a place that I don't have room for elsewhere. Moving on, this is my walk-in closet. This is my Falabella bag. I also just ordered my Chloe Drew bag, which I'm really excited about, and that's gonna be the home for that bag. And then I just have all of my spring summer clothes up here right now. These are my shoes. This corner here is where I keep my luggage. And then I have my drawers for like my sweaters and workout gear and stuff, my jeans. And then on top I keep my jewelry and my perfume and sunglasses and things like that. And then I just added a hook here to keep my like big coats. This is probably getting a little bit too heavy for spring summer, so I might switch it out with something a little bit lighter. But that's basically my closet. The pictures inside the frames I got from Etsy. It was really cheap because like they just gave you electronic printouts and then you just printed them out yourself. So I think each one was like $5. But it really tied in with the theme of the apartment. So I have like pink, white, and gold. And then the frames I got from Michaels. In here I have my bathroom. So again, not that big. This is a soaker tub, and I can't tell you guys how much I love this tub. This is a mirror, and it opens up, and then I have all of my skincare stuff here. Honestly, it's not that minimal right now. I'm trying to sort of make my skincare routine a little bit more minimal. But I do have everything organized, so I have like my weekly stuff up here, my morning stuff here, and then my evening stuff is on these two shelves right here. And then if you can see, I do have everything labeled in the order that I should be putting stuff on. So this is on every shelf, so I know where everything goes as well. Again, here is another IKEA mirror. It's exactly the same as the one in my foyer, and I just like the look of it. And again, it opens up the space. This is my sink. This is underneath my sink. There's not that much stuff in here. I just have my scale and some toilet paper. And then coming out, this is like the final area of my little apartment. This is my bed. You guys have seen this bed before. And then this little night table I got from StruckTube, which I mentioned before. All of these books down here are Joyce Meyer books, which I have yet to read. I keep my Bible next to my bedside because I do like to read the Bible a lot. And then right next to my Bible I have my devotionals, my morning and my evening devotionals. And then of course I have my alarm clock because you don't want to be late for work. And then this is Figaro. This is a fiddle-leaf fig tree, and I got him at a local shop, and it's just the best tree. It's so easy to take care of. It's healthy. And then out here I have my patio. It's not that big, and I would show you guys, but it is like pitch black outside. It's really late right now. I actually should go to bed. So yeah, so this is my apartment, you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. I hope you guys learned something at least, or maybe got a little bit of your own apartment or living space, that whatever kind of living space that you're in right now. And yeah, I love answering questions and, you know, communicating with you guys. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box below. So that is my entire apartment. Yes, it's pretty small, but it's perfect for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!